The rich don't work for money. Today's world is revolving around money, even the basic necessities, which is not exactly a good thing, but is the world we live in. So, unless you want to work your entire life for making a living, here are some secrets that you should know about the economy. Most people are struggling in the so called rat wheel. This means they go to school, get a job, and work for money. And then, month after month, they spin in the same circle, going to their job and paying the bills. Their only changes in life will be changing their home to a better one, their car, and occasionally some vacations. They will never achieve more in life than that. And that's quite sad, isn't it? Living your entire life without discovering your true potential. So, how do you escape the rat wheel and stop working for money? Number 1. I can't afford it. You need to change your way of thinking. As a first, once you get your paycheck every month, you will also begin thinking your income problem has been solved. And this is a serious danger. The most important thing you must begin with is changing your mindset. Stop saying I can't afford it. Instead, say, how could I afford it? If you say the statement, I cannot afford it, your brain agrees with you and won't ever try to figure out how to afford it because you already gave it the answer. You cannot. If you actually ask yourself a question, how could I afford it? Your brain will struggle to find an answer. Number 2. Don't work for money. What truly makes a difference between the rich and the poor is that the rich don't work for money. And you can see that by yourself. The rich never got rich by having a job. Unless you're fortunate enough to have a job that can get you millions, your job will never get you rich. You need another type of income that will lead your life to success. Number 3. There are two types of income. The active income is that kind of income that requires your time and energy in order to have it. Like a job. You need to go and do work in order to get paid, and that paycheck is an active income. The other type of income is the passive income. This income is generated without you having to do any work for it. It requires none of your time and energy, like rent. If you rented an apartment, you'll collect the rent regardless of what you did in that time. Which type of income do you think the rich people use? Of course, it's the passive income. It's the only way to achieve financial freedom and never work for money again. And financial freedom doesn't mean you have to be a millionaire. Actually, you are financially free once your passive income is higher than your expenses. So your living is paid without you having to do any work for it. This means if your monthly expenses are $1,000 and your passive income is at least that much, you already are financially free. At this point, you can watch TV all day, and by the end of every month, you won't have any expenses that requires additional money. Apply these main principles in your life and you'll become a whole different person. You have to become someone different in order to have different results. There is no other way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you'll never miss a video. Also, check this video right here, I think you'll so love it.